right, so can you live in the house while renovating? This is a common question. And I'm helping you by separating it out. So if you want to stay in the house, then this is what you should do. The renovation should be contained to a single room or an unoccupied floor. That would make it easy for the trades to come in and out. They don't have to clean up after you every single day, right? That takes longer and it actually adds to costs. If it's a simple bathroom reno and you have a second one to use, that's pretty easy. You can live through that reno, no problem. If you're putting a basement rental suite and you're living upstairs with a full working kitchen and bathroom, all that, that's pretty easy also. So those are pretty simple ones that you can live through, but I would recommend move out of the house if you want a faster completion, if you want lower project costs, if you want a stress-free renovation. What I mean by this is, construction by itself is testing on marriages and relationships. If you're living in the construction zone, that's even worse. So I don't recommend that to anyone. So yeah, if you want a stress-free renovation, move out of the house, spend some time in a nice hotel or Airbnb or whatever. Don't be in the war zone, if you want to call it that way. If you want to stay married, don't stay in the house. If you want to eat takeout every day, okay? So if you don't want to do that, don't stay in the house. All right, I'm being a little bit facetious, but some people do ask me with expecting to have a working kitchen when we're redoing their kitchen. I don't understand that. So I want to make the obvious very clear here.